and welcome to my channel where I'm teaching myself pastry arts. My name's Kiara. So this crepe recipe is actually from one of the pastry textbooks. The recipe is from the Culinary Institute of America textbook, Baking and Pastry, Mastering the Art and Craft. I will put the recipe in the description for anyone wanting to follow along like that. So a little about myself. I'm 22 years old and I live on the east coast of Canada, and I've been in the kitchen both cooking and baking since I was 8 years old. Originally, I was going to pursue savory chef hood, but I actually decided that I wanted to be a pastry chef. I prefer baking and decorating and things with sugar more than I do steaks or anything like that. Feel free to comment down below if you have a pastry challenge that you would like to see me attempt in a future video. And remember to like and subscribe because this is my first video and I'm really nervous.